General approach to packing is everything that you absolutely need to survive has to be in your backpack.
It's nice that we have a sled and a big bag to pack this kind of stuff. I'm Rob Alford, I'm a backcountry ambassador for Skidoo.
I'm Nadine Overwater, and this is Sled Sessions. Sled Sessions, Sled Sessions, Sled Sessions, Sled Sessions, Sled Sessions, Sled Sessions. It's not bad. My favorite thing about sledding in Revelstoke is just the proximity we have. Like, we have so much different terrain types to access. If we really want to, and after a snowfall, it's 10 minutes and you're unloading. The difference packing trail versus mountain is on the trail you're planning to spend the night, so you're bringing the comforts, whereas on the mountain we're not planning to spend the night, but we want to be prepared in case we are and we have an injury. And we have no helis flying because it's socked in. So everything that you absolutely need to survive has to be in your backpack. Of course, as usual, I really like the link bag because it's expandable, so I can bring like as little and as much as I want, and it's waterproof. First and foremost, all my avalanche gear is going into my backpack and is on me. So I have in here an extra large puffy jacket. If I end up wet, I can take all my clothes off and literally fit inside this jacket. I have a first aid kit, which has a bunch of items in it. It's pretty specialized to what I like. Lights, I pack a couple different lights in case we're there overnight. Lots of snacks. So this is like 3,000 calories in addition to my lunch for the day. And I never really touch this unless I'm starving. So this is just fire starter. And I'll bring always like fireproof matches and a lighter. This is key thing, folding saw. I keep one in my backpack and one in my tunnel bag. Got everything in there and I still have room, could fit some charcuterie in there. I'll have the best days every time I ride with Rob, for sure. We get out a few times every year. Like, I would obviously love to ride with Rob all the time.
You did that one big mission, that was pretty fun.
Yeah. Oh, my butt was clenched all day.
Yeah, when I pack my bag, I'm guiding is maybe a little different than when I'm with my friends. You know, when we're out with our friends, we're probably pushing a little harder than we would if we're out guiding people. So, the risk tolerance goes up. So when I'm sledding, I wear this backpack. It's got a canister in there. If you're in an avalanche, you can pull a lever, and a big balloon blows up, and it keeps you floating on the surface, and you don't get buried, hopefully. I have a good quality shovel for like digging someone out of an avalanche. I also have an avalanche probe in there. I usually pack my VHF radio, and I pack a sat phone typically in there too. Okay, let's open this thing up. Yeah, so I got some extra gloves, toolkit. Here's a guide's tarp. You can make this into a makeshift little tent. It's really strong, so you can wrap someone up and use it as a way of moving them if they're injured. Right here I have some fire starter, some more first aid stuff, some spare batteries for a transceiver. Here's some rope. Got this big emergency blanket. It's like those little hot packs, but a full blanket. It lasts about 8 hours. So if someone gets really cold in the backcountry, you just open it up, and as soon as it hits the air, it heats up. When riding with Nadine, a lot of times I'll be bringing some camera gear, and she's pretty safety oriented, so like we'll compare bags, and sometimes I'll ditch some of the stuff out of my bag just to make it lighter so I can pack some more camera stuff.
Some of my best days have been with him because it uses every ounce of everything I have. We joke around with each other a lot, but I have a lot of respect for you. I still think you're awkward, but.
Yeah, well, I have respect for you too, so that's good.
Well, yeah, Nadine likes to make fun of me a bit. She's got to blow someone else's candle out to make her shine brighter, right?